Hey guys, today I'm here in the Blue Mountains and I'm going to go check out Lyrebird Dell Falls. Starting from the car park, this walk only takes 5 to 10 minutes, passing through temperate rainforest of coachwood, sassafras and an abundance of ferns. Arriving at the falls, you are surrounded by sandstone cliffs and crystal clear water. These areas were home to the Gundagara indigenous clan for over 12,000 years. After soaking in the sounds of this beautiful spot, I captured a panoramic photo including both the waterfall and the sandstone. If you're visiting the Blue Mountains, this is a great short walk to consider. Thanks for watching, and always remember to respect sacred sites by leaving no trace and avoid entering waterways with sunscreen.